Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. I think HCMC could be done since we've been falling back in February. HCMC major run in the works as HCMC prepares to release of exhibits that prove that the IQOS device does combust. They're also 7% gross profits the same period as last year, so it's an increase, which is good. And if we go ahead and go over to the technicals, we can see that we have a nice downtrend on the play. We have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, and after the 3rd touch, if we make a higher low, then we're going to break the downtrend. We want to see increasing volume. And again, we have room up to 0016, 0025, and these are just some levels. And if I'm going to go ahead and actually, let's take this one off the list. I don't think this is too important. I think really the main one we have to break is 005 and then this previous high. Again, after we have 1, 2, 3 touches, on the 4th touch, that's when it becomes an 80-20 setup with increasing volume. Let's go ahead and jump to the daily chart to see what is actually happening. So on the daily chart, we have increasing volume. Now we had another spike in volume, but the spread is the same as this previous candle, so I do think that the buyers might be stepping in. This might be the low for this new low. Looking for a break on this downtrend. We have room all the way up to 0016, which is basically, I think that's 100%. That's 100% move here, which could happen. HCMC is a runner. I mean, in like 2-3 weeks, we went up 200%, and with everyone loves HCMC. It's a nice hype stock. Everyone really likes it. I'm currently not invested, but I did catch this move back in February. I didn't really make too much off of it. I did scalp and take some profits, but I left some running. I took them right out before break even. Just took a small gain on those shares. Again, with this break of the downtrend, it looks like we could potentially see another run from HCMC. It's not ideal. We've had 2 runs, nice dead cat bounce, and then just died off. And as long as we don't break this we obviously have room all the way down to 0004. Break that, there's nothing too crazy. But again, it looks like we have some good technicals for HCMC that I've seen. What we might even break out of this wedge pattern potentially. We're just getting kind of just clobbered at the moment. So I do expect that we have a nice breakout out of this wedge and a falling wedge. And again, the first price target is going to be that 0016. So you could already make a huge profit there. Again, obviously I'd probably scalp some profits out once we hit this previous high at around 50%, and then you can do whatever you want there. Again, this is not, you have to make your own trade plan. You have to make your own stop loss. I'm not going to do that for you guys because I currently don't like the choppiness of HCMC. But if you are an investor in HCMC and you've been holding for a while, this might be some good news for you in that you might be able to actually get your back to break even. I think we can easily see a nice run from HCMC. It's extremely choppy if we go less than the daily chart. So let's actually go to the 2-day chart and see what is going on. We have increasing volume, a higher spread, which, yep, that's normal, validating the trend higher, but we immediately get rejected, but with lower volume. So again, that's why we continue to, we rose after that, even though there was red candles. Again, in more increasing volume with a smaller spread, that indicates that we're going to kind of come down. And then if we look here, actually, we have about the same amount of spread, but with increasing volume. Again, I was talking about this earlier. There are buyers now starting to step in that want to take this and want to move this higher. First price target is that 0012. I do kind of like the technicals. Might throw a little play money into there and see if I can actually get that 50% move and even possibly 100% move. That nice short and sweet. If you guys are still here, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be doing a actual TD Ameritrade, how to set up your brokerage or your trading platform for day trading and swing trading, and even investing if you like looking at the charts for Thinkorswim. Cover basically how to add all of these, your active trader, what you need to have, the settings that you need. So stay tuned for that. Love y'all. Peace.